Hello! It's me again, John G from the Dad Node. Today's video is basically a lesson that not everything you think of, not every crazy idea you think about goes according to plan. Sometimes what seems great on paper does not follow through in real life and you have to make corrections. And the idea behind this one was to try to create an ecosystem pond where it cleans itself during the day and then gives time for the filter media to dry out every night as if it was a wet dry filter. We thought that a 5-watt motor would be enough, but as you'll see in the next few clips, that's not the case. And sad part is a 300 peso investment basically turned out into a 3,000 possible peso investment for a proper solar pump system with some energy storage to keep it lit at night, at least for the early part of the evening. So this is a collection of videos of how that went. To anybody who's noticing closely, I'm actually following the father fish method, wherein I collected worm castings and dirt to act as the substrate, and basically just large loose gravel for any dirt to sink through, and enough plants to start it off, and some lotus plants for them to germinate and eventually put into the pond for it to work. Sad part is, not everything goes to plan, and again, as Adam Savage would say, failure must be an option, because otherwise, you don't learn anything new. So let's clock out to that video. Hope you enjoy. Hello! Welcome to the Dad Node.
Welcome.
As usual, you've met Dr. Jake already. So today we're going to be setting up a
Dragonfly
pond. Okay?
Dragonfly Lotus Pond.
Yes. So we have the lotus seeds. We have a few plants ready. So first, we're going to do the substrate, and then do a water test and plumbing, and then we'll see how it goes. Let's do this. And that's how you make a basic pond. Well, we will see tomorrow if the solar power works, but that's it for today. The Dad Node out.
Yeah, no? So we just drop the water, the medicine here. Here. Here's the water. Lalim na, dami ng tubig. Beautiful. Diego will drop late. Diego will make it the next video. But it's flowing beautifully na. The sun is really hot and really cooking that solar panel up. And yeah, nice work. Tell him it's stronger na.
It's flowing. So, humina yung araw. And because of that, nawala din yung tubig. And then Papa told me to pour these two in. There it is.
Okay, so nakakabit na yung electric pump. There's the plug and it's covered by the extension cord. Goes into the house. Anyway, yeah, mahina talaga yung 10 watts. That's what you get. Hindi ko lang, medyo mahaba kasi yung pipe pero mahina. 50 to 100, I guess. I don't know. Diba? At saka mas maganda siguro if we get the water coming from here to go up there. So mas mahaba yung tatakbuhan ng water.
So anyway, end of that story is two things. Like, we need a better solar pump, and we're gonna have to fix the plumbing correctly. So till the next episode of the Dad Node, hope you enjoyed this feature that happened. Thanks. Maybe give me a like and a subscribe under there and help support us live. Thank you.